Oh, Secretary Banong, this is the reason why we have to support the PMBIC for the PUVs, public utility vehicles. Tingnan mo, oh. It's no longer roadworthy. Corroded, pero nakakapag ano pa rin siya, nakakapag biyahe pa rin siya to the detriment of the public. Mali. So I came here to find it out, see for myself kung ano talagang nangyari. Tignan nyo, yung chassis by itself, ano na siya, corroded, very corroded. So it's not roadworthy. 100% it's not roadworthy. Pati dito, puro spot lang. Kaya unang bumigay, yung chassis. I-cross yung chassis na.
Sure.
Bumigay ka agad. Dapat i-retire na no? I-retire na itong mga ganitong sasakyan.